Hello, this is Jess Hay with Creative Cards to You. Well, I have another fun, quick, and easy card with Lou Collins' Dragonfly Dreams paper pad. First, I glued down a piece of this pattern paper I had left over from the last card I did. I die cut these thin strips from a gold metallic piece of cardstock and glued those down at the top and bottom of the background as well. Next, I glued down the leftover envelope I had cut in half to the right side of the card. I glued down this letter paper piece from the pad to kind of anchor the jar of flowers. Next, I took some numbers from this pet tape and put them in different places on the card front. Sometimes I like breaking an element into different pieces and using it on the same card front to give continuity. Then I took this stencil from Lou's Meadow Ledger stencil pack and used some Simon Hurley's White Lye Stellar paste, applying it with a rubber spatula. I'm not sure what I did wrong, as it's my first time using the paste. It's definitely more runny than a grip paste, but I don't know if I didn't have the stencil pressed down firmly enough or if I just used too much paste, but it really bled through. I dried it with a heat tool as I was getting impatient and wanted to finish the card. I put foam strips on the back of this jar of flowers die cut. I have found that if I remove the paper backing first, it is easier to turn the foam strips around corners. I also put foam strips on the sentiment. I put the jar of flowers on the card and then I inked the edges of the sentiment with a Sharpie so it would stand out more against the card background. I placed the sentiment down kind of over part of the white stenciled area so it hid some of the design. I added ebony gems from Amazon. Even though the stenciling didn't go as smoothly as I had hoped, I still really like the card. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.